Hey, this is Chris from Almost Legit Garage. Today we are going to be working on my wife's brand new motorcycle. It is a Kawasaki Z400. She just picked it up today and she's very excited about it. So we are going to be installing some swing arm spools. These work with the rear tire stands, and they make certain things like lubing the chain and eventually when it needs new tires, changing the tires a lot easier. So we're going to put these on. They're cheap mod, super easy to install. In fact, my wife, who you're about to meet, is going to install them herself. So these are the Woodcraft spools. They are made out of a hard plastic material, and I actually prefer that to the aluminum ones because then they don't get marred up and look nasty as the finish wears off, because these are pigmented all the way through. So pretty easy construction, or pretty easy installation. They just bolt on. These ones have an aluminum sleeve in them, so they shouldn't be any less strong than the metal ones. So I'm going to hand you over to Stephanie, and we're going to get started.
Hey everybody, I'm Stephanie. You can also follow me on my channel, the Undomesticated Housewife, where you'll be seeing more of this bike and the modifications that I plan on putting on it. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we are going to do is put the blue or temporary Loctite on the threads. We are using a temporary just in case we want to eventually take it off, so that way we don't hurt any of the parts. We're going to put it in there by hand first. Just a lot easier to start it out this way. Okay. And we're going to grab our torque wrench. Now, Woodcraft suggests torquing the 8mm to 18 foot-pounds, so that's what we are going to do. Okay. I'm going to torque it till you hear the click. Very easy installation. I'm going to go ahead and do it on the other side, and I'm going to show you how to put it up on the stand. Okay, so now that we have the stand, we are at the ready. Both spools are in. We are going to put this underneath at a little bit of an angle, and we're going to try and get both of these pieces on each side to be about equal parts apart. Part apart. Okay. That one there. I'm gonna put that one out a little bit. Just tiny little adjustments. Okay, I think we got it, guys. We're gonna use our Allen wrench, put it in the Allen bolt, and then tighten it. We have them at least moderately even on each side.
Yeah, it's not super important. Relatively even, it's good practice.
Okay. So it is at a little bit of an angle. I'll take it down. Okay, we put the bracket that is the spool that is closest to the ground, that is leaning on, into the bracket first, like so. Now I am a very tiny person, so if I can do this, And I'm pretty sure anybody can do this. It's pretty simple. So grab by the passenger seat handle. We're gonna lean the bike. Ever says I'm gonna go real slowly. I don't know about you guys. Maybe you can like wrench it around. Okay. Okay. Now that they are both in there evenly, we just want to push down right here. Push. Grunting helps. And boop. Up.
Good job. Hey, show them how to put it down.
Okay, and then to put it down, you just kind of do the opposite. Again, grab the handle. At least I want to grab the handle. You're going to very slowly, again, you don't have to go as slowly as I do. This is just a brand new bike and I want it to keep it nice and pretty and don't want to drop it. So I am going to go nice and slow. Get the wheels touched back. Do the Cupid shuffle to the side. Okay. So you feel yourself hit back on the kickstand. And there we go. All good.
All right, so we got that little project done. And I'm happy that she gets to work on her own bike and learn how to do it too. I know it seems like a pretty simple thing, but you got to start somewhere, and that's a great place to start. Just get wrenching and then learn how to do everything. I will point out that you only have to adjust the stand once, and then you can just keep using it over and over again. So yeah, it's not really like you have to do that every time. It's super fast, super easy, super convenient. Make sure to subscribe to her channel and subscribe to mine if you don't mind.